Since 2013, when our version 4.0 was released, users have had the ability to modify their own scans in VSCO. And to do that, you go into the Tools section, Accounting/System Administration. Of course, you have to have permission to this area to be able to do it. And then it's the last link down here at the bottom, which says Update Scans. So I'm going to click it, and this is something to be aware of, is that it takes quite a while, actually, for the tool to load. And there's a reason for that, which is it's trying to basically load all the scans at the same time, which takes some time. So once you get in, the first option here is scan types. So it's going to be one record for every single scan that's available in the system. So when I say scans, what I'm referring to are any areas in the system in which their data is being displayed in a grid form. So let's, for example, look at the container scan. So this is anytime you're seeing lists of all the containers being displayed, these are the columns that are available. So if we can select an existing column, say the voyage, and if you wanted to just change what that column says, you can change it here by saying, let's say instead of voyage, voyage number, right? Or if you wanted to hide that column altogether, you click hide yes. You have the option to move the column around by clicking on these arrows that you can push the column to the right or to the left. And the other thing you can do is you can have information displayed on what we call mouse over. So meaning if you hover over a record in that column, what do you want to be displayed? And these are all the available things that could be displayed to the user when the mouse is hovered over that information. If you wanted to add a new column to the list, all the columns that are available to add are listed down here. And let's say we wanted to say add the ocean freight cost to the list and have it be one of the columns that's available when you're looking at containers. Now, I'm going to say instead of displaying all that, we'll just call the column ocean freight cost, let's say. And click update, and then that changes the column name there. The thing to understand about when working with the scans too is nothing is saved until you click this done button, in which case it gets saved. And then you won't be able to see those changes until you log out and log back in, right? So if I click sign out, it signs me out, and then I sign back in, then now I should be able to see that column available in the actual scan. So if I go into logistics, container maintenance, container view, pulls up a list of all my containers here, and you see the ocean freight cost as one of the columns on the end that now shows is available in the list. And that's true of all the scans.